What's going on, y'all? So today's video, I'm starting a little late. I took trades in my other accounts, but I want to start a little mini series of trying to get an account funded and taking it to my first payout, or at least till I get a payout. But on this one, we got, if you look up here, 33 is gonna be the account that I'm gonna do this series off of. So right now we got a full account, 50,000 with a trailing drawdown of 2,000, and we're gonna try to catch some trades for the day. And with the evals, I'll be a little bit more aggressive than when I use a regular account as far as the amount of contracts that I take. But once something's set up, I'm gonna start the video back, and then we'll try to push this towards getting funded. Hopefully, it don't take too long to get funded. I try not to get funded in one day and do one of those, throw everything at it and try to get it, hold my account as long as I can. Cause ain't nobody trying to just throw away their money for real. So with that being said, I'm gonna pause this, and then once we get something to set up, then I'm gonna come back and we'll start this. Got an order in right here. So trying to catch a quick pullback and bounce back out of all of this. Trying to catch a bounce back out of all this consolidation. My stop out is basically up under here, and the candle close and start breaking. But I will add, if it's down here, some. It's the goal. I mean, because it's closer to being stopped out. So like I said, I will add being down here. But look like we might be getting let me go ahead and throw in the order up here just in case we give some quick swipe up like you like to do. I'm going to put it closer to 20. Where we at? I need it to come up over. I try to get at least 10 points. So the 305, see what it's doing in this area. If it's, once it popped through 305, 306, if it can't hold, or if it starts struggling, I'm gonna just take it off. That's the plan. So don't roll over, baby. Just bounce for us. I probably won't take that many trades in this today. 2, maybe 3. Got a few things to do. Hopefully we don't mess around and blow the account up all fast, and it don't do no quick swipes like this on me to the downside, to where I'm forced to get out. Okay, we're gonna take it off. It's
Order
struggling
filled.
up there. So 108. See, he could have just kept going like that, and we would have been all gravy. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it until we get another setup, and then we'll take a trade in. Looking for a quick scalp right here.
Order filled.
Stop out is above the highs. And this is gonna be the last trade. Let me go ahead and throw this down here. Ooh, I kinda don't like it now, for real. But let me see if we can catch. Go ahead and throw this down 20 points, just in case they wanna do some quick action for us. Looking for $10, like I said, so about down here somewhere, and see if it hold or if it just keep failing on us, and then we'll take that quick trade off. Come on, you close. You close. Might have already done hit it. I'm gonna take it.
Order
I
filled.
don't want to mess around. So 225 on that. I'm gonna try to take one more and then I'll be done. I lied. So try to get it a little bit closer, because 225, I can do better than that. Try to get some more. But I'm gonna go ahead and pause it till we get something. I don't want to make the video too long. Trying to catch this entry. It pushed down. It's the last setup because the range is kind of dying out. Volume getting lower. Range getting smaller. So it's gonna be harder to try to get that 10 points. and it's not really like swiping the way I'm looking for it to. And these bounces probably anywhere from 5 points, stuff like that. If we can get it to come on down a little bit more. My stop out is below this area closure, but I will add to it down here. But I do add the loser. Some people they don't, but I add to it when I trade certain ways. But it's not a like just add. I have a certain amount that I add, and so my room will be tighter, and I lose less. Or you go down and barely not touch my stuff. Probably gonna try to roll all the way over on me. To come down now, I don't really like it as much, and it is popping up, and it ain't got to the 10. Yep, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead. Maybe I'll move it down a little bit to right here to put it closer to this area since it held already, but it may not get back down here. It may take off on me, which is okay with me. I'm up 225 on this account. If I don't get another trade on it, then I just don't get another one. But I'm gonna go ahead, pause it. Well, maybe I get a few seconds. See if it come back down, because it looked like it's getting a little selling pressure. Trying to step in. It's coming to us a little.
Order filled.
Oh, it's got me. I wish you would have did that on that one. You put a sell up here, just in case you do that same stupid swipe. But we at 26. We looking for 10 points right here, at least. Let me go ahead and throw me some ads in here. And I'll wait till after it get filled and see how I react down here. But let's see if we get it to pop back up. Like I said, up here around this 20 MA. And we'll see what it's doing at that point and judge whether we should take it off or not. But yeah, like I said, the range is so small now. It's not moving as much, and then when it do, it just be quick jolts in one of the directions. So now we just wait. It ain't looking like it's trying to get to where I want it now. You're going the wrong way, buddy. Going the wrong way. And kind of don't like now because it's starting to look like it's trying to have a little mini downtrend right here. So we shall see. I'm gonna pause it, and if we get closer to where I can take it off, then I'll unpause it, or to the add point, then I'll bring it back in. But I ain't gonna make us sit here and make the video way longer than what it's gotta be. If I miss the exit because it do one of these jolts up, then I'll come back and let y'all know in the video and everything. So hold on. Get back up here. So let's see if we can get it back up here towards 36 or so. And then we can just take it off. Come on. A little bit more. I don't like that. Don't just come up there and stuff right back down before I can go up there and take it off. Come up to here, either hold it for a second or pop up over it. That's what we trying to get it. Or better yet, pop up the 2350 or 25,350. Even better. But it already done hit it. I'm a little. Oh, here we go. Let's go. A little bit more, brother. Here I go being greedy. I'm gonna take that.
Order filled.
We up 350, so $350 on this account to start it off. That's decent. We'll be back on this account and continue this series. And every time I take trades on this account, I'm gonna do another episode till we get it. Try to get to a payout. But anyways, those are the trades that I'm gonna take on this one. And if y'all like these type of videos, check out the one that I leave up there. Later.